want to try this?
Sure.
Oh no.
Just throw it on the plate. There's some on the couch.
You know where I went?
So.
What piece do you see?
No, probably in the crack.
He's snoring.
Can you imagine if I do this later?
I'm gonna use this against you for your future wife, Nathan. She'll never want to sleep in the same room as you. She waking him up. Mom, I think there's something on your lap.
Yes.
I don't know what, but there's something on you.
Person? The baby?
That's a person? I thought it was a baby. I didn't think babies and people were the same thing.
Hilarious.
So loud, yet so peaceful looking. I just took a like hour and a half nap. And if my naps are at least 2 hours, and I wake up with a headache. So I have a headache right now. It's okay though, I'll get over it. I'm gonna go to the mall and turn in a job application. And then my beautiful mother right here is going to meet my boyfriend. If she wants to. You wanna meet my boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, tell the camera, like just like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Take that as a yes. Alright, well, it was nice listening to you snore, Nathan. We'll see you later, you cute little baby. Goodbye. Nom, 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 nom.